On the third day of Christmas, Arteza gave to me. I don't know, y'all, let's find out together. Hey guys, happy December 3rd. So we are on the third day of our Arteza 12-day art calendar. Still waiting on that 24-day. Still no word. Just a quick reminder before we find out what's in day number 3 that tonight at 6 p.m. I'm doing an unbox and swatch live stream for a totally different Arteza art kit because it's really important to me to help you guys find good but affordable art gifts for the artists in your lives. So hopefully you guys will join me for the unbox and swatch tonight. And if you are short on time, I am sharing time-lapse version about a week after. So tomorrow on Saturday, December 4th, not only are we going to open day 4, but I'm also going to share a time-lapse quick recap of last Sunday's Arteza art kit, which includes watercolor gouache, metallic watercolor, metallic gouache, acrylic, and metallic acrylic. So if you're kind of curious about that more expensive set, keep an eye out tomorrow because that's going to go live. Man, I've got so much good stuff going out for you guys. So without further ado, let's take a look at day 3 and talk about what we've gotten so far. So here is day 3. Ooh, toward the door a little bit. And inside, on the third day of Christmas, Arteza gave to me a large tube of red acrylic. And this, I don't know why I'm such a butterfingers. This is larger than the acrylic tubes we've gotten in the art kits. And we got scarlet red. It is 3 pluses of light fastness, which everybody has their own light fast system, so unless you provide a key, I don't know what that means. It is semi-opaque. It uses PR21, and it is color number A202. And what does day 3's door say? Day 3, acrylic paint tube, scarlet red. Use your new scarlet red acrylic paint tube to create a portrait of the one, the only Santa Claus. Don't forget to add a little extra paint to his rosy red cheeks. We hope you share your artwork with us by tagging us on social media with the hashtag Arteza Holidays. So, I mean, maybe we could do an abstract Santa Claus with the day 1 pad of acrylic paper, the difficult to get out day 2 acrylic paintbrush, and our tube of red paint. But like I said earlier, I'm going to do all of the 12 doors first, and then I'm going to go back and do the projects on the second half of our days leading up to Christmas. So tomorrow we're taking a look at what's behind door 4, and I hope you guys have been enjoying hanging out with me every day. I've been enjoying hanging out with y'all, and I look forward to hanging out with you guys again tonight for our live stream. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I really hope Arteza hurries up and gets that 24-day advent calendar out to me because I really want to see what's inside and I want to see how it compares to this 12-day calendar. So fingers crossed and best wishes. I will see you guys tonight, and I hope you guys have a happy and safe holidays. Bye! And don't forget to join me tonight for my Arteza Mixed Media Art Set Unbox and Swatch stream. Bowie will be there in the background. I'm looking forward to hanging out with you guys and unboxing and swatching this set together. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the stream starts at 6, so I'll see you here on YouTube.